I don't want to delay the shahada, and inshallah we can talk about that after, inshallah. So you repeat after me, first in Arabic and then in English, okay? Okay. Let's use this mic. Here's one.
أعطيه الثاني.
جماعة الصحة هذا فيه. يلا بسم الله. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. إن شاء الله. تبارك تكبير يا جماعة الخير. الله أكبر ولله الحمد. اللهم لك الحمد يا رب العالمين. We'll just say it in English, okay? I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship but Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is his slave and final messenger. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations.
Allahu Akbar.